Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be looking at the difference between dry blasting with glass bead and wet blasting with glass bead on a piston. Alright, so I just blasted half of this piston with glass bead and a wet blasting cabinet. You can definitely see the difference there. And now I'm going to tape up this side and we're going to blast with glass bead in a dry cabinet. Alright, and I just got done blasting this side with glass bead in a dry blast cabinet. It looks really, really good. So I want to take off this tape to do a side-by-side comparison from wet and dry and see if there's a real difference. Yeah, you can definitely see a difference here.